Hello, welcome back to my next vlog. Today I come here to see Aquarium Sea Life in Sydney. I'm standing right in front of entrance. I already purchased ticket online which cost me around $65. They have lots of combo offers. I'm excited. Let's go and check what inside.
Yep, the tickets will be scanned inside.
Alright. Thank you. So here we go guys. This is the first look when you enter the aquarium. You wanna catch fish? Oh, this is the baby of penguin. Look at them. I'm not sure if you guys can see properly because it's a little dark inside. Is it real? I don't know. You see, the sky. What is this made of? Oh, it's all stone. It's really hard. I think it's a stone. Oh, what is it? Oh wow, it's look like I put my hand inside the water. But it's closed. The glass is so shiny. Oh, I like the white face. I never seen it before. Feels like there is no glass in here, isn't it? Hello. You want me to take the photo?
Yeah, get a little photo. Jump on up, why not?
I have my backpack. Is it alright if I don't take photo? Because I'm filming it. Oh yeah. So she asked me to take a picture if you want it in front of this background. But I say it's alright because I have my backpack and then I'm filming with my one hand. It's alright. Hello. Hey, look at the mouth of this fish. It's sharp. Look at the eyes and the yellow circle around the eyes. The lights is very colorful. Mostly the blue lights further making more realistic, like you are insane. Design of this glass is kind of like a ball. And what inside? Oh my god, it's a massive lobster. Oh my god. Is it alive? Alright, let's go further. Explore what's more. Welcome to Dugong Island. Continue this way to. Oh, can't go direct. Should go this way. Wow. Wow, the brown color. The tail is white and the half of the body is white. I never seen before. I like the design of this aquarium. It feels like I'm walking on the water. The tail of this fish It's around 2 meters. So long. Hello. Above my head. I'm walking with her. Check the view from here. But it feels more good to watch them from inside because usually all the fish close to the glass. The temperature inside is so pretty cold. So everyone is standing here to see the shark. Hello, I'm following you. Look how smoothly they can swim in it. One more. Oh, so many. 1, 2, 3. You can also purchase the ticket to watch the shark from inside. I think now we can see the penguins. They all are standing there. She's not excited to looking to us.
Hello, I'm Penguin. Hello, Aaron, I'm Penguin.
It's a nice view from here. One more coming. You can also experience the virtual reality to see live. Or this guy say you can touch them, feel them, but you can't cup anything. I want to touch the starfish. Oh, it's hard. The water is little warm. It's confusing. So many glass here. Different colors. Look at the jellyfish. I think it's the reflection of all these lights on the stones, and it's very sparkling. You can hear the sound. Here's the speaker. The sound is so soothing and peaceful. It's make you feel like you are watching all of them from under the water. Mouth of this fish. Tone of the giant turtle. Alright guys, I just came from this way and then I find out this little supermarket where you can purchase all these things. So that's it. Thank you for visiting Sydney Aquarium. It was an amazing experience I never seen before with my eyes in reality, the penguins, the shark and all the different kind of fish. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video.